Hey everyone, how are you? Hope so you are doing well. First of all, welcome to my channel Screenify Studio. You go to place for easy tutorials. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and write the bell icon so you never miss an awesome videos. First of all, open your Play Store and search this Facebook. Click Facebook and install now Facebook app. Facebook app is now installing. Now my Facebook app is downloaded, and first name and last name, write the name of first name and last name. Next, then age, set date, what is your birthday month, what is your birthday year, what is your date of birthday, set this. And next, are you male, are you female, select this. Next, and sign up with email. Click her email, write email. Next, continue and creating account. Tap them. And password. Create a password with at least 6 letters. Now next, tap next. Then save your login info. Save. And I agree to all terms of services. Skip. I tap this skip. Then welcome to Facebook. This is I created new Facebook account. Now tap this. Now that your account is created, let makes your profile stand out. You can add a profile picture and cover photos. A little about yourself. These personal touches will help people find you easily and connect with you. Don't forget to check out your privacy settings to make sure everything is set the way you like. The way you like it. You can find them in the settings menu. And turn on suggestions list. That is, you have officially created your Facebook account. You're now ready to explore the platform, connected with friends and join communities that interests you. If this videos help, make sure to give it a thumbs and up and share with anyone who might needs. Skip that. And now my Facebook account is ready. I hope so this video is very helpful for you. Please like, subscribe and share me for my channel Screenify Studio, and thank you so much for giving me your precious time in this video. And don't forget subscribe at Screenify Studio for